Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'm making a loud sound. So number 10, this one's pretty good, but it's kind of, nah. Okay, this one's pretty quiet. Who are you? Get my house! I don't like this one. Get out of my house! I don't like this. I'm recording the video. I don't like this one very much. It's too loud. I don't like it. Shut up. I don't like you. What? What was that? I don't think I caught on audio. But let me talk about the alarm clock first. Alright, go small child. Okay, so this one goes beep beep beep. I like it. Okay, so this one's not really alarm clock. Grandpa. Grandpa! What are you doing? What are you doing, Grandpa? What are you doing? No, hey! No! What? No! Grandpa, no! This is a heart attack! You found the No, Grandpa, dude! Okay, so this is the end of my video about